Guys, good morning. Looking at Flare Network this morning. It's the 31st of January. Welcome to the channel. All of the subscribers, new subscribers, welcome. XRP holders, Flare holders. We are looking at a daily chart on tradingview.com. This is the free service. You do not need a paid service to have exactly what you see on your screen to do what I do. So we're looking at the daily chart, like I mentioned, getting a pullback here down 1.72%. Couple things I want to share on the chart this morning as we get this pullback. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the left-hand side and get the Fibonacci retracements. We're going to click that. We are going to take the high over here where I have this circle. The high over there is roughly, looks like 52.18. We're going to grab that high, at least pretty close anyways. Click. We are going to come over to the right-hand side. We're going to go to this low on the 25th, guys. That low is 34.71. 34.71, 34.72 will be just fine. And I want to show you something on the chart. So we currently are trading at 42.87, which is right here, guys. This candle right here, 42.87. And we have a fib level, which is roughly at the 42.60, let's see, 42.61, which is the 0.5 fib level. So we could see the price actually find support right in and around where it is at now based on the high of the 11th and the low of the 25th. So based on that range, we are sitting right in the center, roughly at the, let's see here, that would be the 4261 level is a fib support level. We found support there on the 29th, 30th, and so far the 31st. So I wanted to share that we are sitting at an important fib level where the price actually could find some support. That is not one of my price levels. That is based on math Fibonacci level. If that does not hold, guys, we have the 0.382 down there at the 4060. That is right here. That is roughly 4060 for a support level if the 0.5 does not hold. Below that, we have one of our support levels at 3962. All things to keep in mind. Not only did Flare find resistance at our 49.65, 49.10 level, which is these two levels right here on the chart, it also found resistance at the 786 fib level, which is roughly 47.90. That is this blue line right here on the chart. It went up higher and touched our two levels, the 49.65, 49.10. So I think that is a more precise resistance level. But keeping in mind, there is a fib level right there at the 4090, roughly give or take a little bit level. Below the market, guys, don't know if the price will go this low, but I will share these levels. We have a potential support area down here at 34.10. Well below the market, and also 2790, 2790, 3410. That would put Flare down quite a bit from where we're trading at today. That would be a 20 and a 34% move to the downside. But if the price does head down there, I will be looking for support at those levels, so I figured I would share them. Unless the markets turn over in a big way, I don't really see a reason why the price would get down there. But if we go into once again, a long trend to the downside, creating new lows for Bitcoin, new recent lows, I should say, then I don't see how Flare could buck that trend. So I wanted to share those with you. Those are 3410, 2790. Keeping in mind, guys, that we are sitting right at a fib level based on Flare Network's trading history going back to the 11th and the 25th of January. We are sitting right in the center of that range at the 0.5 fib level, which is 4261. 4261 is that level. So if you're looking to buy some more Flare, you could be buying it at this 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is right around the 4261 level. Above the market there is the 618, which is, let's see, 4472. And then we still are finding resistance up here at our 4965, 4910, guys. So we will see how far this pullback goes. I wanted to share two things with you. Our two levels well below the market, 3410, 2790. If for some reason the price tanks, you could look for some support down there. And we're also sitting right now at the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So there is some support, and it's not just a one-day support, guys. We had support show up on the 29th, 30th, and so far today, the 31st. Doesn't mean it will hold. And then resistance at the 786, right up here at, let's see, 4790 is a fib level. And then we have our two levels right above that, 4965, 4910. So I wanted to share those levels with you guys. However you want to trade them, that is totally up to you. If you want to buy right here at the 0.5 fib level, if you want to wait till we get a bounce to the upside to buy, don't know how you want to trade it, but I just want to share with you the levels that are on the charts. Still looking for a major break above this high over here, which is the 11th of January, and that high is 5218. So that is what I'm looking for. We could be forming a very rough cup with handle, to say the least. We have this cup, handle, entry point would be this high right here on the 30th, which was yesterday. That high would be 5 cents could be the entry, getting a big breakout to the upside. So that is definitely something to keep in mind and to consider, assuming the price will move back up at some point, which if the markets don't completely roll over and head into a new low territory, then we should see a break like that. So a break above that high of the 30th at 5 cents, and then also a break above this high on the 11th of 5218 would be very bullish in my opinion for the Flare network. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. Just wanted to share a couple of the Fibonacci levels, a couple of my levels well below the market. Hopefully it doesn't get there. If it does, probably a great buy in my opinion. And thank you to all of the new subscribers. Appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a great Tuesday, and let's see if these markets can recover today. That would be great for the bulls. All right, guys, take care.